Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here again, and today I have a really quick tutorial for you on how you can make your own planner pockets without any fancy fuss. It's just really quick and easy, and you can make them in two sizes. This is one that I made with a piece of scrapbooking paper and a simply gilded bow and some great little stickers from the reject shop, and another one I made with rose gold Planner Society sticker. Unfortunately, this had a little accident the other day and it's starting to split, so I might have to remake this one. But they're really quick and easy, and I'll show you what you need. Now, I was in my $2 shop, my little discount store, and I found these ID card holders. You get 10 of these in a pack, so you can make 10 bookmarks. You could make one almost for every month of the year with a different theme if you like. So that's that size. Then here's the bigger ones. These are called badge holders, and you get 6 in a pack, again for $2. The other thing I grabbed while I was there is some double adhesive tape. This is a heavy duty one, holds up to 900 grams. So I thought this would be a really great way to make them, just so they're a little bit stronger than using normal double-sided tape. And you will need a pair of scissors. So I'll show you how quick and easy this is. We'll open up this large one because I've got a piece of card ready for that. So there we go. Now, if you have a look here, what I've done, I've simply laminated a piece of scrapbooking paper, which is how I've made all of these. If you don't have a laminator, you could just use some nice heavy-duty cardstock. It would work just as well. Now, what we're going to do is just trim off this top bit, because we don't need that, and it looks incredibly unattractive. So there we go. We've snipped that off. And now we have a perfectly formed pocket in a flash. Now, if you just have a look, one side is a little bit lower than the other, so I tend to use that, keep that bit for the front. So we just flip it over and grab some of our pads here. These are really easy to use too. You just peel off one side and stick it down in each corner. Really simple. And I just try and keep that top one just below the little bit where it's cut a little lower, just to keep it neat, but honestly it really doesn't matter. There we go. Then we simply peel off the pad. Just like that. Of course, this one now wants to misbehave, doesn't it? Come on, there we go. Done. Voila. Then we just pop this down on our piece of paper. And what I try and do, I usually just try and line it up just so the bottom sort of sits at the base of where your paper starts. There we go. Done. Now, it doesn't look that attractive because you can see the pads there, but grab some sticker sheets, pop them inside, and you can't even see those pads anymore. And they make a great little bookmark, ready to slot straight into your planner. And then whatever sticker kit you're using that week, if you've got some leftovers, you can pop it in, or just any little practical ones. Love these ones from Stash Sticker Club, the little bright ideas, because you may have a little idea that you want to pop down in your planner during the week. When Happy Mail arrives, you can pop in here whatever you like. Now, another thing I have done, I have made them before with a washi card. So you just need a nice piece of cardstock, lay down strips of washi, and that would make a really pretty addition to your planner. The other thing you can do is laminate a piece of cardstock the same size as your dividers, pop your holes in, and then stick one on top. You could actually almost fit 2 of those larger ones on there if you wanted to, and especially if you use an A5 planner, that will work perfectly. So there you go. It's a super quick and easy way to make pockets. They're nice and strong, they're not going to break in a hurry, and honestly, at that price, you can make as many as you like. So if you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, pop them down in the comments. I'm happy to answer them for you. Until next time, take care. Bye.